Sa atin, sa Pilipinas, pag Christmas Eve, ang specialty natin na handa ay yung lechon. Dito sa Czech Republic, hindi sila mahilig sa lechon kasi walang lechon. Ang specialty nila rito, pag Christmas Eve, yung mamahaling isda. Kasi dito talagang mahal ang isda, triple ang presyo. So, ngayong araw, inimbitahan ako ni Mamingka na pumunta doon sa palaisdaan para bumili ng isda, yung carp. Karpa ang tawag sa amin yan sa probinsya, yung malaki. Kasi daw, yun ang ihanda sa Christmas Eve o yung Noche Buena. At samahan natin si Mamingka para mamili ng carp o yung karpa. So mahal dito yun, mahal. Mga triple ang presyo, kaya bihira silang kumain ng mga isda rito kasi talagang sobrang mahal ng isda. Pero dahil special occasion, ang Christmas Eve, so bibili kami ng isda tapos pipreser para pag Christmas Eve, yun ang ihanda ni Mamingka. O magtataka kayo bakit ang aga naming bumili ng isda, pag hindi ka bibili ngayon, maubusan ka. So yun ang sabi ni Mamingka. Kaya ngayong araw, samahan natin si Mamingka. Ako lang at si Mamingka at yung kasi ni Hana ang mamili. So nasa work si Hana, nasa school na si Sofia, si Milan, si Helen nasa work. Kaya kaming tatlo. Hindi naman pala isdaan yun, parang tindahan lang. Pero mayroon silang pond na ano to, yung gawa, man-made. Maliit lang, pero yung mga isda na malaki talagang dinadala doon. Tsaka mamimili ka kung anong gusto mo. So ito, nakabili kami ng carp. Papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kalaki yung carp. So ito siya. Pinakaliskisan ko na doon, tinanggalan ko ng ulo. Nagkakahalaga ito sa Philippine Peso ng 1,200 pesos. So ganito siya. Ang ulo niyan dito din. Ulo at saka yung itlog. At saka yung itlog, oh. So ulo, okay, yan, ito. So ganito kalaki, 1,200 pesos. Okay, ayan. I-freezer ko kasi ito, para ito pang Noche Buena sa 25th. Alam mo naman si Mamingka, yan yung specialty nila dito. Ito rin yung Mamingka, dalawa itong binili namin. Please, ito, nakita nyo na kung gaano kalaki yung mga carp dito. Akala ko fish pond, hindi pala fish pond. Pero buhay na buhay yung carp. Pipiliin mo, sasabihin mo lang sa kanila kung ilang kilong gusto mo. Tapos, halimbawa, 3 kilo, 4 na kilo. So, ganito isda, almost 4 kilos to. Mga 3.5. At maghahanda pa ako para sa panangalian ni Sofia. Pag-uwi niya, mamaya galing sa school. Look at this. So, binigay sa akin ni Mamingka yung ulo ng kanyang isda. Ito, yan mo laki, di ba? Isang dangkal, oh. Isa't kalahating dangkal. Dalang isda. Mamingka. Oh.
Я буду вставала.
Oh. Okay, but ito cost 1,200. Kay Mamingka around 1,000. Around, yeah, 1,000. Tapos dalawang ulo. Masarap to sa sigang. So, Anyway, lulutuin pa to sa New Year's, Christmas Eve. So tell me, comment kung paano lutuin ito. Kung may idea kayo kung paano lutuin. Okay. At saka ito yung itlog. Dami. Paano ko kaya lutuin to? Itong itlog, nahugasan ko na to. So, lulutuin ko to. Tingnan natin kung kakain si Sofia nito. Gagawin ko, ihahalo ko siya sa harina at saka sa itlog. Yung parang torta. Tingnan natin. Okay? Baliktarin natin ng dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan. Gamitan natin ng Uy. Mukhang mababasag ah. Mabigat eh. Uy, nabasag nga. Ay, nabasag nga. Sorry, nabasag. Ito lang. Yun. Kailangan maluto ng both sides kasi itlog to. Mamaya. Yan. Takpan natin. Yan. Tortang itlog ng itlog. Double itlog to. Itlog ng isda at saka itlog ng manok. Yun. Ito lang yung alam ko. Maliban sa hinahalo sa sabaw, ito lang yung alam ko paano lutuin yung itlog ng isda. Subukan natin bago natin pakain kay Sofia. Ito, talagang itlog ng isda to. Itlog ng karpa. Talagang itlog ng isda. Pero hindi ko lang alam, hindi ako sigurado kung magugustuhan ni Sofia to. Pero masarap. Sa ating mga Pilipino, masarap kasi sanay tayong kumain ito, lalo ng mga probinsyano. Nakatulad ko, yung mga fresh na isda sa amin sa probinsya, talagang may mga itlog. So, okay. Tingnan natin kung magugustuhan ni Sofia at ni Hana to. Itlog ng isda. Never pa nila natikman to. Kasi lang mamingka, hindi kumakain ito. Pero nung nakita ko kanina na mayroong itlog ng isda habang nililinis, sabi ko, pwede ko bang kunin yung itlog ng isda? Ibinigay sa akin. Pati yung kay mamingka, ibinigay sa akin. Kaya sarap. Ayos. This is egg of the fish.
This?
That's yellow one.
Is that caviar?
Yeah, that one.
Caviar?
Yeah. Try it if you like it.
Caviar.
Yeah.
I thought caviar was black balls.
No, it's a yellow. Okay. Now you can try it.
Why is it black when I see it?
Try now.
This doesn't look like
Try the whole one here. This one.
this.
Yeah.
This is fish eggs.
Huh?
I thought caviar was. And how some caviar is black with big balls?
Not depending what kind of fish. There are like egg that is yellow. There's egg like black. But usually it's yellow. What do you think?
Look at the.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. They call it, how do you call it in Czech? Caviar?
No. It's very fishy. It's good. It's like. It's a bit dry though.
Yeah, that's how it is. You didn't like it?
It's like okay. I'm gonna eat this now.
Yeah. But at least you tried it. That's what I'm trying to do. If you're able to try it, and then, because mommy said, please, no.
What?
Later, mommy, when she comes home.
Rich people eat this.
Yeah, of course. But Czech people not get used of eating that. That's why they don't like it.
But Czech people also have like weird foods. Like.
Sophia's food. You like it? Rice and pork and tortang egg chicken egg and fish egg.
What type of fish is it?
Carp. Yeah. Do you like your food today? Yes. How do you like it?
Okay.
That sauce. So her rice, I put caldereta sauce. Ayan. Pero yung caldereta na meat na ginawa kong caldereta is yung mga lamang loob. Kaya yung mga litid, yun ang ginawa kong caldereta. Kaya ayaw ni Sophia ang kumain ng karne ng litid. Kaya sauce lang siya. Sauce. At saka pork. How's school? Good. So you have, yeah?
Tomorrow, I'm going skiing in Aqua Park.
Yeah, skiing in Aqua Park. Yes, I know. You love it, right? Try egg.
With egg.
The egg fish. Egg fish. Try. So at least, Sophia tried it. And it's like, okay, the taste is okay for Sophia. It's not delicious, but for her, it's just like...
Is my stomach very sensitive? Yeah,
I
you
know.
show me that I'm this kind of person, then I can only hear this noise, like somebody's vomiting, and I'm doing like this. I need to accept the thing that my stomach is really very sensitive, and I have a very low, how to say,
Tolerance.
yeah, low tolerance for gross things. Or something what is in my head, like I would not eat it, so I would like, what?
Egg of the fish is not really gross. It's okay.
I know Mommy used to make it. She did it for dog.
One of my favorite foods, when I cook fish, I really always waited for that egg of the fish.
Mommy asked me how you gonna cook the fish head.
Believe me. Tell Maminka wait until Christmas Eve. She will see me how I'm gonna cook it.
No, for the Christmas Eve, please. Že ti to uvaří na Nový rok.
Jo, já bych tě jen vzala do huby, nezajít. Se uvař, co chceš. Vůbec se tvoje koření, aby uvařil, nečekal, vzala mléko. Anko.
Too much meat.
Yeah, that one. That's meat.
No, no. It's this is the fish, right? No.
That's egg.
Oh no.
Tobě to uvaří, bo ty to
Torta.
No. That's yours.
musíš sněst.
Mine? Yours.
So you didn't try, yeah?
Oh, this one, right? Oh.
It's really good. It's fatty. It's really good, darling. I'm not gonna force you. Only if you want to try. But if not, then it's fine.
I don't want to try.
Okay.
Sorry.
Respect. Okay. It's fine.
Sorry.
Okay. Because we're going to Sophia's swimming pool. It's almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We're going to Straba for Sophia's swimming club.
Yeah.